Let's assume there is an external point here and a line is drawn and it touches the circle. These two lines are always equal in length whenever it happens. That is, this side and this side, they are the same. They are equal in length. If this side is 2 centimeters, this side will be 2 centimeters. And what does that mean? It means that whatever angle that is here, they share the same angle. That is, the angles are the same. So let us apply this knowledge in solving some questions. You can see that the line is touching the circle and it is from an external point here. So it forms an angle here, which is 52 degrees. So that means E is automatically 52 degrees. So the next thing is to look at this diagram. This is a triangle, but it's a different kind of triangle. It's a right-angled triangle. So what this means is that this place is 90 degrees. So this place plus F plus 52 must equal 180 degrees. So we do it this way. F plus 90 degrees plus 52 degrees equals 180 degrees. F plus this is 142 degrees equals 180 degrees. So F equals 180 degrees minus 142 degrees. So F equals 38 degrees. So now that we found the value of F, it's easier for us to find the value of G. All we have to do is to look at it again. If you notice, this is tangent, right? A line is touching the circle and this small line is a radius. You can say that it's from the center of the circle. There's a zero, this thing is 0 or something. So this is a radius. And whenever a tangent touches a radius, it is always 90 degrees. That is, the whole of this place is 90. Since the whole of this place is 90 and F is already 38, so to get the small size, we subtract 38 from 90. So that will give us 52. So this small side is 52. So now that we found the small size, we can easily find our G. Because if you look at the whole of this place, it is a triangle also. So what that means is G plus 52 plus this invisible 90 degrees must equal 180 degrees. So all we just have to do is to say G equals 180 degrees minus 52 plus the 90 is 142. So when you subtract it, it will give us 38 degrees. So G is 38 degrees. So now that we found G, it is easier for us to find H. Because if you look at the whole triangle again, like all you have to do is just to look and look and look. The whole of this place is another triangle, but it's a different kind of triangle. It's not a right angle triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. Most times, the triangles you will see when you're solving question that has to do with tangent is a right angle triangle and an isosceles triangle. So the whole of this place is an isosceles triangle, and we know that in an isosceles triangle, base angles are always equal. That is the angle here. Since that small side is already 52, so automatically our H is 52 degrees. Very easy, right? Do you understand? Good. Let me give you a tip. Whenever you're solving questions that has to do with a tangent from an external point, all you have to do is to look at the diagram. You will see either a right angle triangle or an isosceles triangle. And whenever you see either of the triangles, all you have to do is to apply the sum of angles in a triangle to get your answers. Okay, good. Now there is an external point and a line is drawn, so it means these two sides are equal. On the second look, we are seeing a triangle, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle because these sides are equal. So what it means is A and B are equal angles. That is, to get our answer, it will be A equals 180 degree minus 62. Then we'll divide it by 2 because the value will be shared with B. So A equals this minus this will give us 180 degree over 2. So A equals, when you divide this, it will give us 59 degree. Since A is 59 degree, B is also 59 degree. Did you get it right? Good. Let's solve the second question. If you look at this diagram very well, you will see that there is a small line. The radius is touching the tangent, so this side is 90 degree. X equals 90 degree. The same thing applies to here. The radius is touching the tangent, so y equals 90 degree. If you look at this diagram very well, you will notice that this is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. It adds 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. So what it means is this plus this plus this plus this must equal 360 degree because the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can use that to find our z. So all we have to do is to say z equals 360 degree minus this 90 plus this 90 plus this 85 is 265. So z equals 95 degree. Do you understand? So let's solve the last question. Did you get it right? If you look at this diagram, the first thing you will see is the part that has a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. What this means is that 90 is here because there's a radius and there's a tangent. So this 90 plus our A plus the 90 here and 52 must equal 360 degree. So we can say A equals 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 52 will give us 232. So A equals, when you subtract this, it will give us 128 degree. Now, to get the value of y, we need to apply the circle theorem rules. It says any angle that is subtended by an arc, there's an angle here. The angle that is here is always 2 times the angle at the circumference of the circle. Since we already know the angle that is here as 28 degree, all we have to do is to divide 128 by 2. So y equals to 64 degree. Just apply the circle theorem law, and that's that. Did you get it right? Good.